Okay? So Kapamidjanish, Gurlig and Madra is Chach na Locha. Gur Hirsche Falche Rompa. Agus Gur Hashpain She. Na Haichana is Choli. Sachat. Doiv. Okay? So, Doiv. Doiv is to them. Okay? Now, how many of you still have those little charts that have the do? And some of you have color ones, some of you have the ones that I handed out. Yeah, that one there. Did you get one? I got another one here. Okay. All right. So, before we take a break here, go through because we have a couple of those on here. So one of those on there is do. Do means for someone usually. Okay, to or for. Okay, and remember the meanings don't always match exactly in English. So the basic meaning of do is to or for, but it's used in ways that you don't use it in English. Okay. What the little chart tells you there is what the endings are when you want to say to me, to you, to him, to her. Okay? So, how is it to me? Dom. Dom. How about to you? Dutch. To him? To her? Ji. Doing. Dave. And Doi. This is me, you, him, her, us, y'all, and them. Okay? So this is to, me, you, him, her, and so on. Okay?
Shanti,
yes?
could you do just what me, you, etc. are? I know May, to, she, Shay, and then she, but I don't know the last three.
Yeah, so by themselves, May, Tu, She, She, Wij, Shiv, and Shid are the pronouns to say I, you, he, she, we all, and them. Okay, or they. But when we have the, they change and become. You kind of add endings on. Okay. Now you can use. You're going to use do with all sorts of things. Okay, so when you show something to someone, the person you show it to, use do, that person. Okay, so show it to me. Tashpaindome. Tashpaindome. Okay, good expression to know. Actually, tashpaindome. Okay, how would you say show it to him? Tashpaindoe. Okay, in Connemara they use spine. They take out the tap part. They say spaindome. Okay. How about show it to them? Okay. Tashpaindoive. Okay. And if you want to, you can say to someone. You can say the Hyun. For example, to John. Tashpain the Hyun. Okay. And the other one I want to do here is Riv. Riv is the one you use with falcha. So this welcome before you. Or it's used when you're afraid. Agla, you have fear before someone. Agla oram is fear on me. Riv and madra for the dog. Okay? So, Roam. Yep. Yeah. Someone get the water. Row it. Riv.
She misspelled, she didn't spell whatever.
Oh, sorry, Riva. Rimpi.
Rolling. Royaman.
Okay? So,
Oh, you can speak that out.
so basically and this one's used less than some of the others. Dom is used a lot in, the do form is used a lot in Irish. Okay, so the important thing to know is how these vary because you're going to be using these when you need to say something slightly different than what you happen to see here. Okay, so these two showed up in here. So first of all, having welcome, you welcome before someone, so you use some form of rib with whoever you're welcoming. Okay, and do is used when you're showing something. You show to someone. Okay, and so that's pretty much yeah, that's it. So why don't we go ahead and take a break here, and then we'll find out what happens to the mice.